This is Philharmonia Brno, and inside is a music hall, concert hall for all sorts of concerts or recordings. So I will take you inside of this beautiful building. This is an open house and we are in Philharmonia Brno, one of the most beautiful concert halls in the Czech Republic. From this exact balcony was announced in October 28, 1918, independence of Czechoslovakia. We are actually very close to downtown, and here just close by is this beautiful park Lužánky. Lots of greenery, people walking their dogs. It's a nice place in the midst of city. This park has some exercise equipment, so let's try what this is doing. Oh, I guess it's for your hips. Oh my goodness. It's a free gym. Let's try something else. Here's another one. So let's see what this is doing. Okay. I need to be synchronized. Everything is wet, otherwise I would sit on some. If you eat some sweets, then you need to exercise. Let's go. Here you can play table tennis, and there's more exercise equipment. It's a pretty cool place. There's more of those. Beautiful house, people jogging. It's a nice park. I wanted to show you this amazing looking house. In Czech we call it villa. It's like a noble house where rich people used to live. And now this is like a museum. They have amazing garden too. You can hear birds singing. This street is actually named Stairs Street, and you can see why, because there's like I don't know how many stairs, but that was a big climb. But now you have a beautiful view of Brno. Since there is open house, Mom and I, we got tickets for this villa, but I wanted to show you these views. Here is a Spielberg Castle, so whoever lives here, they have incredible views. So this used to be a kitchen. There is a special tile. Here was probably a stove. There's actually an elevator to move the food upstairs. So we are in an attic.
Můžeme se podívat i přes ty trámy klidně dozadu, mrknout sokínka, kdo máte zájem klidně, jak je rybo. A potom si vydáme
So this was the tour of this house. It's gonna be up, but they might get enough money to restore it, which would be wonderful because it's like from 1863 that was first built. So it would be nice to have it restored. These are views from Alpha Passage, and this weekend there is an open house, so you can only get here in this weekend. Normally it's closed, so you don't get to see all this beauty, so I thought I would capture it for all of you.
Tady z té části jsou tak 27 metrů čtverečních, jako formální generace, je tam vstup do 5 bytů, což už jako...
A to mají takovou terasu.
Některý doma, ty šťastnější.
And look at these amazing views. Spielberg. Panorama of whole city.